Supreme Court has ruled that government recruitment rules cannot be altered midway through a recruitment process unless explicitly permitted by existing rules or advertisements. The verdict, delivered by a 5-judge constitution bench led by Chief Justice D.Y. Chandrachud, aims to provide consistency and transparency for government job aspirants. According to the Supreme Court, the recruitment process officially begins with the job advertisement and concludes once positions are filled, meaning eligibility criteria cannot be modified midway unless allowed by initial guidelines. Justice Manoj Mishra emphasized that recruitment procedures must be transparent, non-discriminatory and rationally linked to the objectives of recruitment, adding that if benchmarks are to be set at different stages, these standards must be clear from the outset or ahead of each specific stage to avoid surprises. While authorities may set standards, they must ensure they are consistent with Article 14 of the Constitution, which mandates fairness and non-arbitrariness. Moreover, the ruling clarifies that placement on the select list does not guarantee appointment. The state has the discretion not to fill a position if there is valid reasoning, but it cannot deny appointments arbitrarily if vacancies remain the candidates are in the zone of consideration.